food prices went up, and we had issues. People were trying to kind of find a way how to navigate the challenges. So GYO, we started doing food pantry bi-weekly. So thanks to the team, we were able to feed about 300 folks every 2 weeks. Thanks to the team for making that possible. So besides that, GYO has been very instrumental when it comes to sports. A lot of folks know the Gambian teams that are winning trophies everywhere originated from GYO. I personally was one of the few coaches, and we handed over to generations. The Gambian Youth Organization recently also teamed up with United Way, where we do educational forum on health like diabetes, high blood pressure, and other things. Every 2 weeks, we do host health screening on our center, where people come from all backgrounds and screen their health situation. That has really helped the community. We also do give away, especially for the homeless people and the people who came through the back way. If you realize, last 2 years, there has been a lot of people coming through the back way. The Gambian Youth Organization has been collecting clothes and shelters, finding shelters for these folks. And we raised over 230,000 last Ramadan before last for asylum seekers to be able to do their iftar and support. So this vibrant organization perhaps might not be visible to folks out here, but the forces behind this is talent, creativity, and commitment. And over the years, we have transitions in leadership, and we have seen a lot of impact, especially our young leaders who have made so much impact. So I want to thank all of them. They are not here today. Most of them are living upstate now, but we still a team. And I want to, on behalf of them, this award is dedicated to them. I've been the founder. Of course, somebody has to start something, just like Fatima. But again, it is the collective work of everyone that made it possible today. So we hope to continue this work, and I thank you all for coming to this event. Fatima, thank you for putting this together. These are the kind of leaders we need. So I want to thank everyone for coming. Thank you.